Welcome to BizAIO. In this video, in the top row select the Job Application tab. Select the time duration from the start date to the end date, along with the status, to track a job application. Use the search bar to find any specific application. Use filters to narrow down results by location, gender, current location, current CTC, expected CTC, and total experience. To add a new job application, click on Add Application and fill in the required details such as job selection, name, phone number, gender, location, profile picture, resume, date of birth, and other relevant information. Once everything is filled out, click Save. After that, your job application will be visible in the list below. From here, you can view the application status. Using the Action button, you can edit, view, or delete the application. From here, you can quickly add an application. Just select the job, add the job location and name, then click Save. Next, you can import data from here. Upload a file, must be in .xls, xlsx, or .csv format. Ensure it contains a header row, and then upload it. From here you export the data. And that's your quick guide to using the Job Application tab in BizAIO.